she's using the foot quite well. Toes aren't stuck together. Not now. Not as bad. Goose, get out of the way. Hello, CL. How are you doing, my friend? Oh, you are doing so well. Look at you. Clever baby. FOL. Hi. Hello, gorgeous. Come on then. Your eyes looking better. GPW, you okay? Don't peck CL. Oi, no, don't peck him because he's one of mine. Hello, beautiful girl. Let's see if Stompy McStompface will speak to me after I pulled him. I don't really want to feed you there. That's not a nice place, darling. Let me come around this way. Come on. No, because it'll get stuck in that horrible wire stuff. Hello. You're not Stomp. So who are you? There, gorgeous. Chuck you some food so I can see your leg. You're 4DIH. But you're not Stompy. Unless your knob has just like shrunk massively, you're not Stompy. Let me see some leg. I mean, maybe you are Stompy. I think your knob's shriveled. I hope you're Stompy. I don't want her being with anybody else. You are. It is Stompy. Wow. Your knob has just shrunk to nothingness. Did you have a fight, friend? Oh dear. Okay. It's Mrs. 40JW. You're eating alright, darling, are you? Good girl. I know, it was a bit nasty the other day, wasn't it? Good girl. I know, it's going to take a while for you to forgive me, but I did save your life. Good girl. I want to go down and retrieve this bloody thing. Just emptied the bucket for Stompy and his wife, so they've got a really good feed because I needed the bucket where I'm finding so much discarded tackle. And look, there's some more. Look at this. Oh my god, I might be here sometime. At least you're well fed. This is where I jumped in the other day because that beautiful girl who's just coming in over there with her husband. I've just been around and checked on her, so I'm absolutely soaked. She was caught over there, tethered out there with the line wrapped around her tongue and her head and her neck, and it was horrible. So I literally just jumped in and got soaked and saved a life, and I'd do it again in an instant. Although she hates me now. Dirty sweetie. Hooter's just seen his wife getting chased over there. He's racing over. Bless him. Good boy, you go save her. Alright, mate. Incoming. Hello, you lot. We've got this lot already. Hey! Mate, let go! You bully! Oh, more incoming. Come on in, you can have all the food I've got left. You alright? You look a bit wonky on the neck there. Let's have a look at you. You okay? Yeah, okay. I'll let you off. That one's really lopsided, doesn't seem to be using the right leg. Not putting it down at all. I can't get him close because everybody else is getting in the way, aren't you? Right, he's now using the leg. Okay, you're good.